Welcome! In this video, we'll walk through how to generate professional PDF reports in Matidor. Matidor makes it easy to export detailed PDF reports for your projects, work items, budgets, and costs, perfect for sharing with clients, stakeholders, or your team. First, open any project and navigate to the Export option to generate a project PDF. Here, you'll see several toggle options. By default, everything is selected, but you can easily uncheck anything you don't need. Notice that when you turn off legends, the map will automatically expand, giving you a cleaner, larger view. This is especially helpful when you want the focus to stay on spatial data. You'll also notice you can select exactly which fields to export. All fields are selected by default, but simply uncheck any field you'd like to exclude. Once you're ready, click Export. You'll see a notification letting you know that an email is on its way with a secure download link to your PDF file. Now let's look at a work PDF export. For work reports, you can toggle Map, Legends, Subtasks, Comments, Photos, and Timestamp. Again, everything is selected by default, but fully customizable. For budget and cost PDF exports, the layout is streamlined. You can choose to include comments and timestamp, keeping financial reports clean and focused. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can create polished, flexible PDF reports tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching. Tap that next video on screen to learn more, and hit subscribe so you never miss what's coming next.